Greetings from Test Prep Card. I just want to tell you something which is a matter of concern for all of you. And here we are talking about the coaching program, the training program for JEE as well as NEET, right? For 1 year, 2 year program for grade 9th and grade 10th. So there is a group of students who are currently residing in Kuwait. You'd be surprised to know that their day starts at the time of dawn. It's local time 5:30 a.m. on Thursday, Friday and Saturday. These are the students who are studying in Indian Community School in Kuwait in senior wing. They all are migrating now from grade 11 to grade 12, right? Now what is special about these students? All these students, they are preparing for JEE, right? These 15-month course. See their passion, see their zeal, see their planning, that they have chosen a time which is 5:30 a.m. early in the morning Kuwait time. And this is for what? For the preparation of JEE and SAT1. Yeah. JEE and SAT1 basically is an ideal combination. This is not SAT2, SAT1. So that along with the JEE, they could apply to all centrally funded institutions in India. I mean NITs, IIITs, IISER and other premium centrally funded institutions. And with the help of SAT1, they could prepare for IIIT Hyderabad, BITS Pilani, DC Delhi and Singapore, US and top 5 to 7 universities in Canada, top 25 universities in US and all these with the scholarship. So they are just trying to create an opportunity for themselves. We have a great love and regard for these students. Here at Test Prep Card, they all are preparing in a small group of 15 students, all like-minded students, and they all are targeting for JEE and SAT1. The reason why they are targeting JEE and SAT1, I already explained this to you. Over the period of time, I mean, since 2008, ever since Test Prep Card in coaching, we have realized one thing, which is a great finding, that the students who are living abroad, okay, they basically are good at concepts. I mean, they understand the theories well, they understand the concepts well because they are smart. Okay, they have got a lot of sources of getting information. And when we are talking about JEE, it is all about physics, chemistry and math. Okay, SAT1 is all about English and mathematics. But where they lack a thing which is called a problem solving skill or application. So here at Test Prep Card, the pedagogy is very simple. And what is that? Along with, I mean, once the theories have been translated into the concept by these mentors who are top-notch ex-IITians, they all practice the questions which are related to the same topic. Of course, when they are living in Kuwait, they all are targeting their seats in JEE in all NITs, IIITs and other premium institutions through JEE main, right? So the thing is that they require a problem solving application, and for that, once they practice the different types of question which are different levels of difficulty, and after that whatever doubts are filtered out, they all discuss the doubt with the teacher in the doubt removal session, and this is the way their problem solving skill or application is honed, which is the most important thing. Remember, you are living abroad, so your contest is within CIWG and DASA quota, right? So in this CIWG and DASA quota, because of JEE main and because of the limited number of seats, of course, even if it is limited, it's not less. There would be a fierce competition. So you need to prepare your child in a serious way, in the right direction, right, with the right people. Remember, coaching is not about proving good where you are already good at. Basically, here I'm trying to make my comment about understanding the theories and concepts, right? Why they are good at, I have already explained. So you need to have a little bit of goosebumps by getting into this thing, which is a pedagogy which is completely based on a problem solving application, right? So here with the test prep card, the thing is that you go through a roller coaster of different type of question, diverse variety of question of different level of difficulty, right? Dedication is there, inspiration is there, everything is there, mentorship is there in a small batch. Why we are calling small batch? Because this is the specialty of the test prep card, right? You can't do a justice to yourself or to your what's talent in a group of 120 or 200 students where only one batch is conducted, right? Test prep card is running more than 150 batches in small batches all over the Middle East, right? So this is the specialty. Best of the test series with best of the comprehensive study notes, objective sessions, proper doubt removal session, tracking your progress, in terms of evaluation, where we send a proper report or synopsis of your what's progress in terms of JEE or NEET, which is sent to your email ID so that, without any sort of biasness, with a complete transparency, you could look into this so that you are confident, because JEE, NEET, SAT1, these are all high stake examination. So before proceeding further, you should have a proof of concept that your child is having enough or having required aptitude, right, in order to go for these examinations. And for that, the process here at Test Prep Card starts with a 1 hour analysis session, be it of physics or math or of chemistry, which is followed by sending a feedback so that you could know about your child's aptitude, about ability, merit, genius, which is followed by the complete course detail. And then you start your journey with the Test Prep Card. The result that we have produced over last 7 to 8 years about JEE, NEET and SAT1, you can go to our YouTube channel, you can visit our website, you can go through the testimonial of the students. We are quite sure that many of them, they are well known to you in your community, wherever you are living in Kuwait. So this is it. So these things are very, very important, right? So we have basically tried to integrate the different ingredients of this coaching program through this 1 year course or 2 year course or the foundation program of grade 9th and 10th. So this is the time, and this is the high time, right, to take a decision and to take a right decision. Okay. Connect with us without wasting time. The time is now. Thank you. What you can do that you can give all your details on our website, or you can send us a mail by mentioning the name, the grade, the phone number and email ID of yours, whichever country you are there. Okay. At info at testprepcard.com, info at testprepkart.com, and then we contact you, and from there we start everything with a consent. Thank you.